Okay, so here we are. Let's go. I will take you through step by step how to transpose this. Now, remember that the formula or the functions that you use are embedded in all these fields. So let's see. We copy everything here. Let's select the whole area, everything in the text over here. Let's select everything up to this and then Control C or Command C should be able to copy for you if you are using a Mac or a MacBook. Now, let's look at it here. Now, here I have created a sheet for my central tendency and spread, specifically for that because I want to know where I put some of, or I do some of the calculations or perform some of the activities. So here we are. I want to paste over here what I copied, but remember, if you just copy and paste, because there are functions and formulas in it, it will all read error. Let me demonstrate that for you in a bit. So assuming you just copy and paste like Control V, this is what you are going to have. This is what you are going to have. You cannot work with this, right? So I will undo this and then I show you the proper way to paste this and for you to have all the values. So you click on the right side of your mouse pad or mouse and then go to paste special and then select paste only, values only. Select values only. Click on it and then let's see. Here you are. Everything is here. Everything is here. Of course, without the functions or the formulas in them, which I don't think that we need anyway. Okay, so this is it. Now, we want to transpose this particular data that we have here in a manner that you can be able to work with it. So I showed you a picture before, like this. This is what I showed you. This is it. This is what I show you. So I'm going to make sure we transpose what we have beautifully into something like this. Let's go. So first and foremost, I'm going to copy what I have here on the side up to this place. So Control C or Command C should copy it. And then I am going to put it here. I'm now going to paste it. So I click the right hand side of my mouse pad and then I choose Paste Special. Then I go down to Transpose and then I select Transpose. Okay, so it is there. Now I can comfortably delete what is on the side here. Okay, so it's gone. Now, I am also going to select all this data and also transpose it. Now, watch how I am going to do that. So I'll select all of it from here, all the way to the last one, all the way to the last one. So I will copy or cut whichever one you want or you wish to do, it still follows or works. So let me come below this one where I have this and then I am going to paste. I just want you to see how everything goes. But I'm going to paste special so you know the process already. I will come here and then I'll transpose it here. Boom, this is it. So for now, I can delete whatever I have in these columns. Just delete them. In the next video, I'll finish this up with you.